As a gamer, it's pretty important for you to pay attention to audio cues while playing competitive games or open world for greater immersion. While gamers of all kinds widely use headsets, nowadays, gaming earbuds are also getting quite popular. So, which one should you settle for? To figure out, keep watching as we compare these two head-on to help you decide better. It goes without saying that a good sounding audio system is a must if you want to react more quickly and feel the immersion of the gaming environment. It can be pretty difficult to differentiate between a headset and an earbud sound quality as it solely depends on the model. But as physical properties, such as the driver size, play an important role in transmitting audio, headsets ought to output better sound quality compared to earbuds at a similar price point. Ultimately, the sound completely depends on the headset or earbud model, as there are plenty of amazing sounding earbuds as well. A gaming session can last less than an hour to as long as 12 hours. For longer gaming marathons, you should have accessories that ensure comfort regardless of how long you will be playing. Earbuds in this case have less to offer as they're inserted directly into your ears. While they do offer good noise isolation, they often cause ear strain when used for long hours. Headsets, specifically over-ear ones, provide the best comfort. They often have paddings that sit around your ears for greater comfort and have enough breathability to get you through a lengthy gaming session. The only downside is they are often big and heavy, which makes them difficult to travel with. Talking about traveling, portability is also a considerable factor when choosing an audio gear for gaming. Due to mobile devices getting more and more gaming friendly, you need to have gadgets that you can effortlessly move around with. As mentioned earlier, headsets are comparatively less travel friendly due to their size and weight. While there are plenty of wireless headsets out there, they still take up plenty of space in your bag and can get frustrating to move around with. Earbuds are simply amazing for portability and gaming on the go. They often come with a carrying pouch or case which you can seamlessly slide inside of your pocket. Specifically designed for portability, they are lighter, more subtle, and less storage demanding compared to a full-blown headset. Noise isolation blocks out external chatters and noise for greater in-game immersion. On-ear headsets and standard earbuds don't have enough isolation to prevent outside noise from squeaking in. Over-ear headphones with a closed-back design as well as earbuds with active noise cancellation ensure the best noise isolation, ultimately resulting in a distraction-free gaming experience. Everything considered, this can get overwhelming to settle between either of these. A good quality gaming headset sounds better and has more comfort compared to an earbud, while a decent earbud offers amazing portability and is oftentimes more affordable than a headset. If you often game on the go and are looking for a portable audio solution, you should go for gaming earbuds. Otherwise, a gaming headset will surely suffice. So, that was all about the gaming headset versus earbuds debate. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment below to let us know your thoughts. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.